Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be creating this look what you see here, and this look I have created for Karwachauth. I kept the whole look very easy, especially the eye look. The eye look is really easy because you won't be having a lot of time to get ready and all, and you'll be tired as well if you are fasting on Karwachauth. So I've kept everything very easy. So if you're interested to know how I created this look, please keep on watching this video. So I've already moisturized my face and I want my base to look little glowy. So for that I'm using this product. This is liquid glass from Farsáli. So it comes with this dropper. So I'll just apply few drops. So you can see it provides a very nice glow to the face and it doesn't contain any kind of glitter particles to it, and it has a very nice sticky feel. तो इसके ऊपर जो foundation है वो काफी अच्छे से set होता है. Now for eyebrows today, I'm using this pencil from CoverGirl. I really like this pencil. It's a very precise eyebrow pencil and it comes with a spoolie as well. I really like this one, but this brand is not available in India. I got this from US. So I'll first line my eyebrows and then fill in my eyebrows. So as I always do, I'll clean my eyebrows using this concealer from Miss Claire. This one is in the shade 04 Beige. Beige, not beige. To prep my eyes today, I'm using this eyeshadow base from ELF. The eyeshadow look I'm keeping very easy today because you'll be fasting on Karwachauth and you will not like to spend a lot of energy in blending your eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow look will be very easy. So for eyeshadow today I'm using this palette. This is a Morphe X Jefree Star palette. This is a really beautiful palette and this is how it looks. I'll be using minimum shades for today's look. So first I'll start with this shade right here. This is called Mr. Diva and I'll apply this shade all over my lids. Next I'm taking this shade. I'll apply this shade on my outer V's. I'm applying in the crease as well, but only half of the crease. I'm not taking more product. Whatever is left in the brush, with that only I'm applying in the crease. Next I'm taking this shade. I'll apply this shade in the inner part of my crease. I'm also blending this with the shade we applied on the outer V's. Next I'm using this glitter primer from PAC. Next I'm taking this shade. First I'll apply this shade with my fingers only. Now with the brush, I'll just fix the edges. Now I'll blend this shade with the shade we have applied on the outer part of the lids. Taking a clean fluffy brush and just blend the edges. Next I'm using this eyeliner from Sugar. It's their I Told You So eyeliner. I did this very thin winged eyeliner. I'll do the same on the other eye, wear the lashes and come back. So I'm back, and the lashes what I'm wearing today on my eyes are these lashes from PAC. It's their Pro 03 lashes. Now let's go back to face, and first I'll apply primer because we want our makeup to last for the whole day. And for primer today I'm using this primer from Smashbox. I really love the primers from Smashbox. I have tried like 2 or 3 different variants of primer, and I love this one. And this is the photo finish primer, and there is one more which is primerizer. I really love both of these. So I took primer on my fingers. Now I'll just rub it between my fingers and warm it up a little bit. And then first I'll apply this on the areas I have more pores. And then whatever is left, I'll apply on the rest of the face. It's a silicone based primer, so it provides a very nice blurry effect. I apply primer on my smile lines as well, because generally my foundation creases in my smile lines. Next I'm using this LA Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This one is in the shade Pure Beige. Applying this concealer on these areas where I have some marks, just to conceal these. I'll blend it using a brush. Now for foundation today, I'm using this Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I'm in the shade 05 Warm Beige. I really love this foundation, and my foundation is pump kharab ho gaya hai, so it doesn't. So I'll have to open it and take it like this. Now I'll apply this foundation using this sponge from YBP. Sometimes very messy without the pump, but yeah, it's okay. Now for concealer, I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one is in the shade Light Medium. I'm using this concealer as a highlighting concealer. Now the concealer under the eyes, I'll blend using a brush. For powder today, I'm using this loose powder from K Beauty. This one is in the shade Almond, and I'll use this powder to set the concealer. I actually really like the packaging of this powder, so I'm taking the powder on this concealer brush, on tip of the brush, dusting off little bit of excess, and I'll press this powder under the eyes. So first I press the powder, I take excess of powder and I press the powder, and then I'll just dust it off. Always make sure to get rid of creases before you set your concealer. Now I'll use a fluffy brush to set the rest of the areas. So I'm just setting with areas where I've applied concealer. I'm not setting the whole face. I'm not doing any contouring today. I'll just bronze up my face, and for that I'm using this Milani Baked Bronzer. I'm in the shade 04 Glow. Taking the bronzer on the brush, taking off the excess and just applying it. For blush, I'm using this blush duo from Lakme. It's in the shade Coral. So it has these two shades. I'll mix these two shades and I'll apply. I'm just going over with the beauty sponge, so it will take away any excess product. Now I'll just quickly finish up the eyes. So I'm taking this shade now. Next I'll take this shade. This shade I'll apply very close to my lash line and only on the outer part. Next I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. For Kajal, I'm using this Faces Ultime Pro Kajal. I'll apply this Kajal in my lower waterline and upper waterline. Next, I'll set my face using this Smashbox Primer Water. For highlighter today, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. I'll apply the same highlighter in my inner corners and brow bone. For lipstick, I'm using this Rimmel Stay Matte lipstick in the shade Rose and Shine. This lipstick I bought some time back only. मैंने इस पे already review भी share किया हुआ है, and I'm feeling that इसका जो formula है वो already dry हो चुका है. It's not applying smoothly. It's going on really patchy on the lips. Okay, so I think we'll have to change the lips. Now I'm going with this lipstick. This is Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick. This one is in the shade Grace. I want a little juicy lips for this look, so that's why I'm applying this lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. This one is in the shade Sweet Mouth. These glosses from Fenty Beauty are really good. I'll change quickly and come back. So I'm back, guys. I wore this bindi, applied some sindoor because that's the most important thing in your makeup for Karwa Chauth, and wore this very nice suit, some chudi, and this is the final look, and it is looking really beautiful. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.